Sometimes you go off-roading and off-roading really hard with your Mitsubishi Delica L400 and break the side mirrors. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace broken side mirror on Delica in 1 minute. Let's get started. Fold the mirror in, and if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Okay, let's remove that side plastic panel, just lightly pry it out, and if bottom plastic clip will break, you always can replace it with a new one. They all dried up and sometimes they break, not a big of a deal. Let's slightly pull that panel out. Here we go, panel is removed, and if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All right, one step closer. 10mm socket, 2 nuts to remove, 1, 2, and third is our bolt. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. All right, fasteners are done. All right, let's remove the mirror, and you're almost ready to put a new one. And there's a electrical connector. Let's disconnect that guy. That's for power mirrors adjustment. Press that plastic top and pull the connector apart. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. I have more Mitsubishi Delica videos in Delica Diesel Club playlist. Check them out. See you.